So today I am flying off to Portugal in a beautiful place called Cascais, where I'll be making over Anika today. No, not today, but tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Mehndi day, and then we have her wedding day and her reception day. Oh, look at this lighting. Oh my god, love it. And I can't wait. Anika booked me quite a while ago, and we haven't had a trial. We've had a couple of discussions regarding her look, so I'm actually really excited because actually I've seen her outfits and they are very different, very beautiful, very outstanding. So I actually can't wait to show you and share with you her looks. But obviously that's the rest of this vlog. Okay, see you later. Guys, I have made it to Portugal. I've landed in Lisbon and I'm just on my way to reclaim my baggage. Like I said in many videos before, this is where I get my anxiety the most, because I want to make sure, I want to obviously get my kit. I want to make sure my kit has come with me to Lisbon and not ended up in somewhere like Malaysia, That's always a concern. So I'm hot-footing it right now to baggage to make sure my kit's arrived. Beautiful room. I've just dumped poor guy that had to drag my 25 kg makeup suitcase. And it smells like the ocean in here. I don't know how to explain that. It just smells amazing. Oh my god, little balcony. How cute is this? I have landed in Cascais. I'm sweating. Look at the hat bride in a hat dress. So I found the hat bride. And today is, what is today? Just
like welcome dinner.
Welcome dinner. I'm going to get fed some foods. I'm going to go see the foods. But I cannot wait to show you this girl's dress. Oh my god. I can stop that. Oh my god, the dress! Want to go see the dress? Hey, I'm back again, and Anika just popped by to drop me off this really cute bag. Oh my god, what is in here? What is it? So, I love presents. I love presents. Some homemade goodies. Some homemade goodies. Oh yeah, what else? Oreos. Did you know that Oreos are accidentally vegan? Yeah, who'd have thought? Oreos, vegan friendly. So if you got any vegan friends, I need to get some biscuits, some chocolates, and sweets for them. Oreos, straight away, immediately. Oh, what else I got? Vitamin C, bruh. If I'm planning to drink, which is very likely, I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna need a lot of this. Very thinking of my health here. I like this a lot, okay? Oh, what else is in here? How cute is this little Versace perfume?
I love it. This is decent. Vitamin C face mask. Vitamin C. I love it. No animal testing. This girl has thought about this bag for me. She really has, because it's all vegan and cruelty free, and she came and hand delivered it herself. Look, I'm feeling special, bro. I'm feeling special. Okay, what's this one? P&A. What is this? Look at toothbrush. What is this? I'm going to open with one hand and try. Cute. It's a bit weighty. I love it. Playing cards. Oh my gosh. This is such a thoughtful bag. Oh, I can read off the bed. I'm actually going to use every single item in this bag. This is a very good bag. I'm so impressed, Nika. Yeah. 10 out of 10. Okay.
So, I got my sugas, and I am now moving to the room that Anika will be getting ready for her Mehndi. Okay, I think I'm on course. I need to go to 220. So yes, so I'm just moving my gear to her room, so we can get her ready in her room for her Mehndi night. Her outfit, I've seen snippets of it and it's very colourful, so I'm very excited to see this in person. And just her look that we're going to do today is going to be quite playful, so I can't wait to show you, bruh. Am I still lost? Airport.
Got to produce diamonds to booze.
Changed, and Anika's ready for her Mehndi. She looks amazing. Her outfit is absolutely beautiful. It's multicolored, all sorts of colors in there. Very rainbowish. She's gone for a peach tone in the eye because it was peach in her outfit, and in fact she could have gone for quite a few different colors, but she ended up going with peach and she looks phenomenal, and she's dance ready, like she's pinned so she can dance to her heart content. I also found out that she's a professional dancer, semi-professional ex-dancer, so I'm expecting wonders, bro, wonders.
If you get it wrong, you're out, and there are a tray of shots here, and the couple has to decide who's doing the shot. Give it up for them, guys. Piki Pelada. Everybody stop. Right, so Dad, you're already out, so you got shafted. Karen Russell down, you're out. That was a disastrous start. You guys are good. You guys are good. Gone.
Wow.
What a disaster. Run. No, mudslide. Hey, well done.
It's day 2 and we are doing the wedding day. Today is the wedding day. So Anika's already had her vippy this morning, which I wasn't a part of, but I got to see some of the photos on the pro photos. But now we're just on our way to do the actual main event. So can't wait for this one. She's awesome, the most non-intrusive photographer ever. Y'all best learn something up in UK. Learn something. We're on our way. How you feeling?
But I can barely walk, and why did I commit to buying such a heavy outfit?
Because you look amazing, that's why. We're a human barricade.
Because your mama is coming with you.
આજે તમે પગ ધોશો એમના થોડીક વારમાં ત્યારે because Lakshmi છે આજે તમે આશીર્વાદ આપશો.
Guys, it is the last day today. Today is reception day and I am bloody hot, bro. It's like the temperature's definitely gone up in the last 2 days. So I just got my washed brushes. I'm going to be making my way to Anika now. We're starting at 3 p.m. ready for 6. And today's party, innit? I'm making people all around me. reception. The very beginning of the reception, and it's about to kick off. But look where we are, man. I mean, seriously. So beautiful.
What happened to euphoria?
Make your friends, Jessica. Oh, hello. I'll get my glasses off. Oh. This is on Anika's side. And it's Sushmita auntie. Sushmita auntie. And she's fabulous. Look at what she's wearing. Fabuloso. Oh. She also inspired the gin and tonic for today. And we're just admiring the sunset. Absolutely gorgeous.